This is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here to share my kits for February 2025. There are 4 weeks that are mainly in the month. Not surprising, there's 4 weeks in February. But anyway, we're gonna go through these 4 kits. So starting out for the first week, that's February 3rd through the 9th. And for this week, I'm using this kit from B&R Paper Crafts called Maldives. We're gonna be doing a bit of warm weather travel. So it seemed only appropriate. We will not be going to the Maldives. That would be amazing, but the flight is very, very long. But I did kind of want the summery, warm island vibes. So this is what the full boxes look like. This is a deluxe kit, by the way. Here's the date covers and bottom washi, boxes, the less glitter version of boxes, functional things, 4 more boxes, and a bunch of functional deco. This is my favorite design of the deluxe kit from this shop, by the way. Some squares, headers, little things, stuff like that. Glitter headers, and 4 more boxes. So tons of boxes, and I will definitely be ready. I'm so excited for that one. For the next week, it is February 10th through the 16th. That's Valentine's week. For that, I'm going to use this kit called Retro Valentine from Lovely Planner Blog. It's so cute and fun, and I love the little like puns. I think it's really, really fun and cute, so I'm excited to be using this one for that week. For the third week, we're back, still kind of Valentine's Day themed. That's what I tend to do for most of February. So another B&R Paper Crafts kit. This one's called Sweet Love. This one is a drawn art kit. So this is the full boxes, bottom washi, and date covers. It's hard sometimes to get the pages to separate properly. Glitter boxes. This one's a slightly different setup. So this one's like functional deco and things like that. Full box checklists, larger deco, and some functional things. Glitter headers, little things. And then this page is washi strips and word headers there. So excited to use that one as well. And then the final week is February 24th through March 2nd. And for that, I'm going to use this kit from my planner Life UK. It's called Diamond Love. And I thought it was a good transition kit since it's kind of pink, but kind of also blue and yellow. So it feels a little bit more spring-like. Not that it's spring here in March in Western New York, but you know, we can dream. But I like the vibes, and I think it's going to be really fun and cute and quirky. So that's all I have for today. These are my 4 kits I'm going to use. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know which kit you're most excited to see me use, or which kit you're most excited to use yourself. Or if you don't want to leave any of those things, leave me a French fries emoji. Why not? Just to say that you're here. I would love to hear from you. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. I show in progress and finished spreads, tag all the shops, show you bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. I'm also trying to figure out the blue sky thing, so we'll see how that goes. But also Creative Life of Liz over there. And until next time, bye.